Yes, everything seems to be live. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Welcome, everybody. Everybody who's coming, welcome here. Building a Grace engine, which is the best thing how to make websites. At least that's what I claim, and that's what I believe. There are some bugs, some things to tune out, and this is going to be the focus of the next hour or so. So come in, come hang out, and let's get into it. Um, there is one very annoying thing, and that is when we are down, scroll down, I don't see the logo. I don't see the loading screen. So let's just fix that as the first. So first thing I'm going to definitely forbid it from closing, because that is weird to do when I want to debug this. And just set it properly. Hopefully it won't be as much of an issue. How are we looking everywhere? Yeah, it's fine. Everything is fine. Okay. Right. So I'm looking for this. And set loading. No, thank you. Just some garbage from. Oh, I know what it is. This was so cool. Yeah. This was when I was trying to make the logo pulse in a rhythm of music. That was awesome. But we don't need this. We don't need this now. Okay. So this should prevent the logo from disappearing. Yep. And so I can debug now. Now it's actually loading this slow. Okay, we are low. We are not loading. We are almost loaded. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Yeah, cool. And this is what I want to debug. Come on, Edge. Come on, Edge. Ah. Edge is just, for some reason, sometimes refusing to show me the styles. Come on. Come on, Edge. Do this. Just a little bit of refresh. Please do. Okay, I can take this. So, this is actually weird. Why would I do it this? Is this my code even? Actually, I don't believe this is my code, but sure. Whatever makes you happy. Oh, it's actually not my code. It's just to mess. Yeah. It's not my code. It's AI's code. Yes. What's good? People. Mm. Mm. No, I told you this week. Hi. But also, I think I told you last week, and last week I was here only once, so had to assume. Had to assume. How are you? What's going on there? Just so you know, I am here for maybe 50 minutes today. Today got busy. Today got unfortunately very busy. Hmm. Why this? This is the typical trap. That sucks. Is it getting at least better, or is it just what it is? Hmm, That's cool. That means probably you are okay within this week. Cool. Isn't it the irony? We are getting cold when the temperatures are rising. That's funny. Well, probably not funny to you. It's funny to me. How to deal with this? Oh. Uh, maybe easily, actually. Maybe easily. So what I'm going to do is... is it that store thing? I know you told me about something. It's just you are doing so much that I'm trying to remember which project it is. Oh, that's cool project. Okay, got it. Jesus, you serious? You cannot be serious. Wow, wow. No, man. Who uses CD mechanics? Who has this in their laptop or PC? Except teachers, I guess. No, man, no. No. Wow. They're just making fun of you. That's not real. Right. Okay, well, then you are probably the only person I know. Because that, like, wow. Is it living though? Are you sure it's living? Oh, I'm sorry. You mean this kind of drives? Oh, I kind of thought that you are running on CD or something. I got confused for a moment. Okay, but you said that your drives were corrupted. So you just or is it just the data got corrupted and you could wipe them out and you have fresh clean drives? Ah, okay. So there are no damage or something like this. That just the data are gone. Yeah. Okay. 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 So what do you mean with that? Like, okay, I have optical drive too because like those 4 terabytes they are flipping expensive. Those like SSDs and NVMe's. Not too much though anymore, but still. But um, why do you have CD drive? Do you use it for anything? Ah, cool. Ah, this is bad solution. Damn it. This is a bad solution. It's working, but it's a bad solution. Mhm. I see. So it's your filament. It's nothing more. Um, don't you have 3D printer? You can throw this away and print the little cover. Or you can take it for recycling. You know, metals are quite expensive these days. Ah, God. That's absurd. I'm not saying you do that, but if I still were at school, I would fight them. Like, honestly. I don't know, I'm joking, man. I'm joking. Like, yeah, they are, but uh, nah, that is not too much. But there is some mechanics, right? So, and electronics. Make some cool project out of it. Make a use of CD drive somehow in your own way. That would be cool. Like, wasn't that in IT Crowd? How they make the nest out of it. Hi Zaydin, thank you. How are you? Nice to see someone new here. How's it going? I'm doing great, thank you. Dealing with some annoying bugs here. At least we good at good coffee. Mm, that is good. I mean, to how to do this. How to stretch this to the bottom? Or maybe not. Maybe what we need is something different. Maybe what we need is just to get out. We don't need you anymore. That was a fun project. Yeah, unfortunately, I have a whole list of them, and I'll be dealing with them the rest of the week. Are you working on something? Something cool? Nice, nice. Hey, does 3JS use the new WebGPU, or are they stuck with WebGL? I think it's called WebGL, right? I never used it, actually. Ah, okay. Cool. What are you building? CDs, Jesus. Ooh, that's cool. Single player? Yeah, send it. If you come next time, we can take a look at it. Today I'm here for not too long, so it's not a good time, but next time, sure. We've done it once. We can do it again. Cool. Let me just open it. Stop. Woo! Okay. Hey, that looks cool. Huh. The stutter you saw, don't worry, it's not you, it's me, unfortunately. Wow, I love the feel of this. Wow, wow. Doing great. Wow. Cool. That's awesome. I want this. I want to play in this. Where is my... this is something. Yeah. That's cool. I like it. Yeah. Just realized. Love it. Yeah, you know what you can do? Burn one line of a code on one CD, because lines are so long these days, like 700 megs easy. I know it's not worth it. I would go against them anyway, because I'm an idiot sometimes. And if someone is doing stupid stuff, then yeah. Document. Oh, I'll be this, of course. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. That's so crazy. What? I'm so confused why you actually need CDs. I was thinking that okay, maybe they just don't have modern USBs, because I can imagine they just use older PCs, but then you can just send a link to GitHub, right? Why wouldn't you? I'm so confused. Why? Why they require CDs? That's absurd. This entire card game could be sent via email, probably. Would nah, I'm just getting derailed by these stupid requirements. Uh yeah, let's do this thing. I think let's do this when we are at it. Why the fuck they need CDs? Oh. You know what? Fight them with Green Deal. Just tell them that no, they are getting it by email. God, that's so absurd. That is so absurd. Yeah. Um, let it. Uh, oh, well, I hope this is going to work. Wait, wait. Oh, oh. Kidding. Uh, Maybe they are hiding one of those portable CD drives. I think it's like 5 years, maybe. I actually had to get one for some reason because there was something. I think one of my clients, yeah, it was an older guy. He was just, giving me data on CD, or is it? What was it? Was it maybe a municipal office of some sort? I'm not certain. I'm not certain what it was, but it was just those are the moments like wow. Uh, you are too nice. Too nice. Oh man. Hmm. Okay. This shit can actually work. Oh, so let me scroll. Yeah, fantastic. I love deleting bug records. I'm not even marking them, I just delete them. Where was it? Uh, Here, okay. So this was annoying. Another annoying is when I close this shit, this timer is still running. It should be actually very simple to deal with. Yeah. Oh, it would be so funny if you actually did only like if you burned on the CD only a notepad or TXT with the link to your GitHub. Do that. That sounds amazing. Oh, you know what? You saw me play a game today, which was your whole dream. Crazy man. Uh, or you know what? When our teacher tries to open the CD, start playing those old modem noises. Or let the CD auto run the modem noises. Wow. Wow. It's absurd. Uh, Save timer. I should destroy this one also. Destroy. Stop timer. Ah, 0 and just big thing. Oh, oh. Yes. This should do the job. Actually. I want to try it on this one. Destroy. This one doesn't have a destroy armor. How can I live without destroys? But good idea how to multiple ideas. Okay, so those are more just ideas for the future, not for current situation. Current situation is done. That's amazing. That is awesome. Uh, so let's see this. New save time, blah blah blah. Save now, blah blah blah. Right. Now, I should see in the console something pop up. Yes, twice. And now I should see only once. Please. Yes! That was a quick fix. So now you are changing the tone from just having fun to direct insult, because there is no way anyone will take this as just a fun. Like Windows 95 screen, yeah, that's an insult. They'll go for it. Some people actually need some kick. Do you also remember those, or do you know those like CD burners that were burning like image on the other side, on the upper side of the CD? That was actually cool. Oh, that's how it was called. Yeah. Yeah, wow. I had one of those. And yeah, it was cool. It was fun to play with. Well, play it like you played once with it. You are not buying stacks of CDs just because you want to make pretty pictures on it. Yeah. Honestly, like any school today, nah, like CDs. It's not about they're out of fashion. People actually don't have CD drives. Like so many people use laptops. Like show me a laptop with a CD drive today. They actually don't exist almost. And if even those Lenovo ThinkPads got rid of them, then you know it's for sure. Yeah, well, it's 9 years old, so yeah, that's probably like one of the latest years when it was like somehow in laptop still. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Lenovo's are like the grandfathers of laptops. They are doing this, like they are dropping stuff as the last ones, because Lenovo is like the business tool. Lenovo is not the cool guy. So yeah, like nah. Uh, okay, another back down. What can I do next? What's here? Names of access to file. Like yeah, I probably should. You know what? Let's do just some title. It can be fun, but let's do just some title. And how old is that one? Zadian, the Lenovo laptop. How old? Right. Like, I am sure you can find laptop with CD drive today just not widespread. We can actually check. I'll try to see if I can open our local shop in the better language. Actually, I probably can. Maybe. What is this? Ah, English. Yeah, cool. Let's see.
Hi guys, welcome to day 3.
Oh, fuck off. Learning guitar. Yeah, if you search for it, exactly. So let's see. Let's see. Just for fun, actually. I would never buy a laptop with CD drive because why? Where is this like all things? Hardware? No. Equipment, maybe? Okay. Yeah, this became important. Thanks, Microsoft. Although I guess it may be a good idea actually. There is not even a parameter to select. You've got your card reader, smart card reader, sure, but you actually SIM card, sure, but actually no CD drive. So yeah, and okay. You mean your laptop has those parameters? Because that's a good one. That's a really good one. Yeah. That's a really good one. Yeah, I know. Well, like TPM is shit show. It wasn't handled great, but it's a good thing, I guess. Like I'm thinking because like it's supposed to provide security, privacy, which then is being exploited by only those bigger corps. So I don't know. Yeah. Honestly, not even hard drives. At best, you get combos, hybrids. Oh. It's just the times changed. The times changed a lot. They actually did. Hmm. Yeah. Really, Lenovo is shit build quality. I thought they were made for this thing. Like they are making them for long term use. Okay. So okay, you are saying cheap. Oh, what are you complaining about then? Like you get what you pay for. You work from us. Okay, so I don't know. You can drop something on it. At least you are saving the world's precious power. Okay, so it's built as shit. Okay, but then you are complaining that it still holds, and that you kicked it and it still. What? 44 hertz? Did they actually make it? Yeah, that's why I think they don't try to push more resolution these days. I think everybody is not everybody, but many companies are erasing the like stupid 8K claims. Yeah, that's why he's complaining about the display. Because 44. Why? It's, it's like some Lenovo engineers come in and says, how to be interesting. Uh, guys, I need a drink. Uh, what's above like 30 is it's okay. Oh, really? Was it by manufacturing or maybe like missing calibration or something like this? Okay. Oh, what a craziness today. Oh. Oh, okay, right. So that was the time when 4K was a hot new trend. Everybody was trying to get it and didn't really try to balance it with all the other things. Hmm. Why can't you? There is always something to complain about. Operates comes now. Come on. Do I create these things? Create back? No. Create this. Okay. Yeah, this I can utilize. Quite cool. Now, item. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be easy. I hope. The data name. Okay, we should be good like this. Oh, awesome. As we say, good enough. Name assets. Yeah. Cool. Didn't I do this? Go through. Oh, okay. I see. No, I didn't. With some small bug I can get rid of. What? Didn't I deal with this already? Maybe I didn't. Let's check. Let's see and check. That's quite cool. That's quite cool. 280 hertz. Only dream. But the funny thing is, if you don't have the refresh rate, you don't miss it. Or if you haven't had it, once you try it, you cannot go back. And you actually can't. And you see it. Since that first second, you can actually recognize the smoothness. It was like, I remember playing, what was it? Risk of Rain 2. And it just felt off. Then I realized there is incorrectly set up VSync. I turned it off, and wow, it ran twice as fast. Man, that was smooth, and suddenly, like, all is good. Yeah, yeah, exactly. And like the 120, 140, 180, and then you go back to 60, or pretty much anything new, and anything less. Like, nah. Yes. Yeah, this is quite cool, honestly. Like, I know people keep digging into details. I don't really care for the most time. Yeah, but you are young. I used to live with 30. I used to live with 25. So I remember the difference. Yeah, you go back between 30, 25, you see it. You go back between 60, 30, you see it. All of them or the new one? Which one do you mean? Yeah, Minecraft isn't, I guess, the game that would be just so hard to play like this. It's better than nothing, right? So sometimes it's just better than nothing, and it's a valid point. Okay. I don't know. Three. Right. What GPU did you say? I'm scrolling back. Where was it? You. Oh, Radeon. Oh, okay. Then, yeah. Oh, I see. 4060. Yeah. So it's a DLSS 3.0 or 3 point something. So the one frame insertion. How often do you hear unicorns? Colors. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it depends on what you prefer. You know, when I get into game, I go for the story. I go for the enjoyment. And smoothness is more important to me than details. Although there were cases when I actually had to turn that off because it was horrific and I don't remember what it was. It was few of them. But yet again, you know, it's just what you subjectively notice, right? Or where's the line? Like, I don't know. You may want like twice as many frames, and you are willing to pay for it by the fidelity, right? But then you may like if it goes to 4 times as many frames, which is I think what the new DLSS 4 does. Like you may start to see like, no, I don't really need this in expense for this thing. Uh, I need to send you my address and get some of those. That sounds way better than RAM. Guess like one day they'll nail it. They'll absolutely nail the DLSS generation, and like we'll be way off. Because we need to see the reality. If we want more, the smart move is needed. Yeah, shortly. I just want to try and see one more thing. Here somewhere. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. But you know what? Not yet. I still have a coffee. Yes, you are right. You are right. Like it's a tech. It's a tool, right? The developers don't need to use that. Although on the other hand, like it makes things easier. It makes things better. No, sorry, not better. It makes things faster. And making games is hard as fuck. That's just how it is. I don't really blame them, but yeah, I believe that these things will sort themselves because we start to demand higher quality, and those who make things cheaper, they just not disappear, but they will get subsided. Yeah, like the tech is really cool. It really is. And there are honestly there are people who can thanks to this tag, they can enjoy the beautiful games like Cyberpunk, for example. Otherwise they couldn't, right? And I'm not speaking about Steam Deck and this. I'm speaking about some older machines, and I know that they are not using DLSS. They are using the AMD thing. The I don't really know how AMD calls it anymore. Uh, uh, Something, but still, like those people with older machines, they could enjoy some Cyberpunk in like in its beautiful setting. FSR, thank you, thank you. So yeah, as you say, it's about how it's used, how developers use it, how well, it's hard to blame Nvidia for pushing it because, well, it's their business. So it's hard to blame business for pushing something. So yeah, that is where I blame Nvidia. Not enough VRAM. Yeah. Really? Well, isn't Oblivion using Unreal Engine 5? That thing is fucked up. Like really. If they mess up Halo, I'm gonna be mad. And it would be the first time. I usually am not. I'm a clown guy. But if they mess up Halo, because it's on Unreal 5 now, then man, that's going to suck a lot. Oh no no no. Yeah. Yeah, I was actually looking into performance between Unreal and Unity, and the funny thing is that Unreal is supposed to be the faster one, the way faster one, like 20 times faster, because it's using C++. Unity is using C Sharp. But then, like, no. The fact is that the engine has issues. Like, it's heavy. Like every single thing you do has so much processing above it, and you literally cannot do it without that. I guess, like, for big studios, there is this interaction between Epic and the studio to do it better, to utilize the Unreal for the glory and not for the downside. But then I don't know. Does it seem like they are doing enough? It is. That's the thing. Those things, those features are super cool. They absolutely are. Like the Lumen, I love the lighting, right? But then there are ways to do it smarter. Like what Lumen does is it actually staggers the CPU for a moment, and it's visible. And there are many essays on YouTube like dissecting this. Yeah, there is so much wrong these days. There is so much wrong, and honestly, I think it's mostly management because I don't know what's going on there. Probably, I guess that it's going to change soon because we all see it, right? There is so much money like pumping out of gaming right now that they will need to start being a little bit smarter. They wouldn't be able to do a game for everybody. Or if they want to, they need to figure out how to do it better, how to do it smarter. Oh, that's for sure. And that sucks. Like I hate it as well. Like I'm I'm very much trying to do online computing. Like not just for tools I use, for things I use, but also how we work, how we make stuff, right? And I know, for example, this thing I'm making right now, it's it's a cloud tool. It's a web-based tool right now because it's just easier to push MVP like this for me, for my company. But I'm planning within 2 years to make it fully offline. Because why the fuck not? Why would I need a server for something that is just purely offline? Or supposed to be offline? It's just. I think they will. I think GTA 6 is going to become a new Cyberpunk, which like it can run on quite old and slow hardware. It can. It's just that, and it looks pretty. It really does. But you have this huge range, and I think that Rockstar is going to do exactly the same thing. Also, what is like old hardware has changed so much in like last 4 years or 5 years. Like it's you have 1650, right? So it's that, which is something very much different than it was 5 years ago. So yeah, I believe lots is about to change soon. So let's see this thing. If I change it to, what is this? Oh gosh, damn it! What the fuck? Pickles. Okay. Okay. No point. Okay, it's really not here. Crazy. Yeah, because there are many developers who target those old machines. At least somehow, like I'm sure you know very well. It's not easy to make software run on so many different machines, different hardware, different like scales. But somehow they still manage. And what's the most amazing part, honestly? Today, we have so many small games. You can just pick one and go on whatever hardware you want. Like you are not getting like oh, you don't have enough shaders or shader cores in on your GPU, as I used to have when I was young. Right. Because you can fucking do it. Like what's the most expensive things? What are the most expensive things in gaming today? It's lighting. It's not even like polygons or something like this. It's lighting. It's the trans the like how do they call it? Drogos, I think. Like the smart ways of bundling calls in from GPU to drive, right? Like there is like so many tech pieces that are super super cool that just made the the big games super performant. And so you drop shadows, you drop lighting a little bit, and you are cool. You can go on freaking Steam Deck, which is like phone a couple years ago. You have Resident Evil on iPhone. Like those are super cool things. Like we are living in amazing age. Yeah, I'm soon. Not able to finish this. This one bug. It's going to take longer and it's boring actually. So soon TM, yeah. Really? See that's fantastic. Like nobody could ever done that for bunch of different reasons. Like what 2 years ago? Like what is the most demanding game on a mobile 2 years ago? Like yeah, I guess some shitty Call of Duty, but again, it's like 2 years old, right? PUBG. Okay, yeah, and now compare how they looked against how the games look now. Not amazing, right? Like that. If Cyberpunk was released on iPhones or high Androids, I doubt it would look anything like this. But hey, yeah, it's the same as Linux. Like we are getting into it right now, and we can. That's the thing. We can because we have advanced, like we like other people have advanced. You know the gaming tech, the computer science tech so much, and it's integrated into Unreal, into Unity, into those engines that you don't even need to think about it. It's just there. Well, you need somehow, right? But it helps you. And so we can actually do this. Like how many games are ported on OG Switch? Like people were calling Switch like old phone when it was released. And like yeah, you can. Really? Yeah. I know that Windows had hard time to adjusting for ARM. Linux can? Why is that? Because of kernel? We talked about it. Like Windows kernel is a shit. Yeah, yes. Some do. I think there are like two different two different pieces of software to emulate Windows apps. Right. Wait. Wait. So Proton. Yeah, that's the other one. So you swap the kernel or the one version is independent? That's weird because you have to have the code for both or for all of them. So the kernel has like the how would you call it the transformation code for all of them, all of the known architectures. Ah, okay. Doesn't make it bloated unnecessarily. Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. Hmm. Right, but you are not building it when. Wait. You are building it before using it. So when you are downloading something, yeah, that I get it. I get it now. Okay. That's fine then. That's fine because when Windows started to exist way before any other architectures. I think they had a hard time adapting for 44 of 64 bits. Yeah, and the knowledge of Windows kernel got lost somehow, which is weird to say, weird to experience, but here we are. Linux is like it's shared, so no wonder that like people were able to adjust for it. Yeah. No, which one? Yeah. Hey, it runs on low-end Android phones, so like Android is essentially Linux. Yeah, that there is a difference. Microsoft is all profit company, and they will do what and public no less. So they will. Uh, are you kidding? Wait. In that pub, I heard, or not heard. It's installed on our servers. What? Right. It's like in pub is like for IIS for web server. We use IIS and Windows servers. Sorry for this disappointment. I'm sure, but like why? That's the folder is useless essentially. Uh, what? No way. The fucking web server folder. Kidding. Uh, look at this. It's just a web server. Come on. It's just a web server. Fucking pub. Like you go to a temp www root log. What what security reason? Uh, oh, are you serious? Jesus, you even have to install the extension for IIS, for Microsoft's web server, for this folder to appear. How is this possible? So the update just puts it in without the set. Oh man, what the fuck? Wow. Like, wow. Well, fuck me. Really? Really? Jesus. What is this? Like, no. Fuck you, Microsoft. I don't. I just had to try it, guys. Really had to. Such a nonsense. Oh, come on. Fucking web server. And not even that. It's just a static files. Bunch of static files. There is nothing. Damn it. Ah. Who's up for custom operating system? Jesus, I'll finish this thing and I guess I'll start building one. Right? Let's take Linux. Let's build on it. Yeah, I guess. Sure, why not? Yeah, why not? Why is it saving my temporary files there? Is it still running? Yeah, everything's still running. Because of course it does. Yeah. I'm going to have to probably try some. That's the thing. Enterprise driven, they are for businesses. So there will lack many like quality of life things. Yeah, I know. Or I can just very simply start up some VM and go for it. I know. Yeah, I'm not going to do that now. Right now I have some things to finish, and it's quite a hurdle. So not now, not now. I lost the hope for in I don't know 2 years, 3 years now. Yeah, but it's hard to move from Windows as of now. Still, it is. Because that is the problem for you. I guess it's easier. It well, sorry, no, sorry, not easier. It's with less risk. If I start moving to Linux, I may lose a lot of time, which is which translates in a loss of lots of business, right? So that's not easy for me. That's why. Yeah. Man, I'm closer than I've ever been. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. Honestly, I'm probably going to do that anyway. The reason isn't really Windows for this. The reason is this desk you are seeing, blurry but still seeing. It's here for standing work, and I flip the display and work from the other side. But my primary display is still this one. This one you are seeing, which sucks because then what's happening is I press the Windows key on my keyboard, and it opens the freaking start menu on my primary display that I'm not even seeing. Or Alt Tab, right? You are trying to just you are trying to find a window, and the Windows just it keeps opening it on primary display, which like no, I'm working for an hour on second display. I haven't touched the primary one. Yeah, I I found some things, some plugins, apps, software that can do that on Windows. Honestly, they suck. Every single one of them. And those that suck a little bit less want a freaking subscription. I am not doing it. I can buy one-time software. I'm not buying fucking subscription package for the ability to move my alt tab panel. So I actually thinking about making this display Linux VM and just be working on it. And you know what? If it would suck completely, not be able to move windows around, then I'll get, I don't know, like what's that called? Synergy something, or something similar. It's definitely not the only app. Well, you can write your own software for Windows as well. You can do that. It's not a big deal. I don't really, because I tried once and I failed, and so um, I don't really. Ah, okay, fair point. Fair point. Now, please give the gentleman some advice because I have none. I tried Linux and failed once with, I think it was Pop OS, because of presumably good gaming support, or Mint, one of those. Still, I don't know, but I still failed setting up my web server. Okay, that's also a good advice. What not to use. Didn't SteamOS come out with something quite recently? A beta or alpha or something? Or actually, what do you want to do on your PC, Zadian? Like, is that work or game or what is it? Or maybe everything? Oh, I get whatever. I'm sure any would be fine. Hmm. Well, guys, I'm going to have to run. I have some missed calls, so it will be fun. Um, hey, I'm thinking Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon. Who's available? Come check out and let's have fun again. Because this stream was awesome. Thanks, thanks. You too, you too. Friday afternoon. Search one thing. Which thing? Ubuntu. Oh, almost. Oh, it got me there. Ubuntu. What do you want me to? And look at flavors. Flavors? What? What's flavors? What? What? Oh, there's something like flavors. Yeah, yeah. I can search. What is it like skins or different GUI? Okay. But if I'm not mistaken, like the desktop is essentially just an app. You can change anytime. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so it's just skins like, or predefined things, I guess. So more than skins. Yeah, I see. Hmm. Okay, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Guys, here you go. Here's your link, and you can check what would you like. Is it- Yeah, or create 10 different VMs and just try it. It shouldn't be too hard. Can you change it on the fly? And was the problem just build one VM, duplicate it, and change after boot up, change the flavor. It's probably, yeah, Bitwielder says it's simple, so I believe him. Oh, that is simple. And a restart? Is there a restart? Now I'm curious. Now I'm really curious. Do you need to restart? I have a guess. Yeah, that's what I guessed. That's cool. Honestly, it's like 2 years ago or 3. Like quite recently. It's not that far in the past. Like Windows finally figured out that if you update freaking Defender, you don't need to restart. That's fantastic. Yeah, awesome. Hi, new guy. How are you? Unfortunately, we are just finishing. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Yeah. Oh, did I see you commenting or? I hope not. I'm not on the. If you commented, I'm so sorry. Welcome back. Well, I definitely recommend you to see the how do they call it, the POP, just the video after we are done, because we had some good laugh today. Uh, yeah. I'm not promising anything right now because I already promised you Minecraft this month. So you can't have it all. You can't. But no, nothing. Okay. Nah, nah, nah. No backsies. We are dead set on what's going to come. Yeah. I'm feeling none of it. I'm feeling none of it, but uh the Minecraft thing is going to happen definitely, and this, yeah, Microsoft will piss me off one day. So I am. Ah, you are right. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for reminder. I really do have some things to sort out. Okay. Hey everybody, thank you for coming. Thanks for chatting. It was awesome. See you next time. Friday afternoon, I'm here. We can continue do some crazy stuff.